How to fix an electric mower that won't start. Electric lawn mowers are an environmentally friendly alternative to many older gasoline garden mowers. All models of electric mower need a constant connection to an electrical supply, making them better suited to small properties. Most electric lawn mowers, regardless of model, can be troubleshooted in the same way by process of elimination. Problems are often easily resolved without need for professional repair. Check to ensure the power supply is connected. Long power cables can easily be pulled from the outlet while moving the lawnmower around the lawn. Change to another outlet or extension cable to try and restore power to the lawnmower. Some extension cables can be reset via a button or switch on the side of the reel. Reset or replace any defective fuses or breakers in your home. Your electrical outlets may not be working if the lawnmower has tripped a breaker or blown a fuse. You can test the outlet by plugging in a lamp or other small appliance. Your fuses or breakers need attention if the lamp or appliance doesn't work. Disconnect and empty the cuttings bag. The lawnmower may not start if the bag is detected as full by the lawnmower's system. Cut grass is collected in the cuttings bag at the back of the mower as you move around the lawn. You may find the mower cuts out during use when the bag reaches capacity. Ensure the lawnmower's safety mechanism is not preventing the motor from starting. Many lawnmowers have a safety feature that stops children from starting the motor. Usually a special button or lever has to be held down while the start button is pressed. Disconnect the mower from the power supply and turn it over so you can see the blades. Ensure no grass, sticks, leaves or other debris is preventing the blades from turning. Electric lawnmowers will stop working if the blades are restricted from moving. Tips warnings. Contact the manufacturer if the lawnmower continues to malfunction. Double check that the lawnmower is disconnected before you clean the area around the blades. There is a risk of serious injury if the lawnmower starts while you are clearing the area around the blades.